Namaste and Xin Chào. Yoga with Sandeep. Today I will teach you 5 basic yoga asana with the proper guideline. Okay, first we have to do the downward facing dog. Okay, some people cannot straight the back like this. You can see the people have back like that. So how to straight the back? Okay, first you have to bend your knees and press your shoulder and your stomach touch with your thigh muscle. Then and straight, more press straight your legs, yes. Then slowly down your both heels. Okay, you try this first, you can see, then you try. Next is Padhastasana, head to chin, forward bending pose. Look at the feet. First you have to go to the chair pose. Okay, chair pose, your stomach will touch with your thigh muscle. Okay, inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, your hands, your stomach here, hands down. Okay, and slowly straight your legs as you can. Here, where you feel the pain, you hold there. Here, and like that. Then push your body forward and try to your head touch with your both legs. Here. And slowly up. Next is the balancing pose, is a tree pose. Okay, your feet should be straight. Okay, take it the right legs, put on the left thigh muscle as you can, up higher, and your knees is right side, keep it the shoulder level. Okay, then keep focus on the one place, one point. Raise your hands up and join your hands. Breathing continue. Then exhale down and slowly like your hand. You have to do another legs, another sides. The same position, same knee in the shoulder level. Okay, raise your hands up, inhale, join your hands, exhale, your breathing normal, focus on the one point, then exhale down. Okay, if you cannot balance, you have to stand near the wall, and your back touch with the wall, and then raise your legs up and try to make balance. And slow you go far from the wall, easy to make balance. Then slowly down. Do it the both sides. Third asana is triangle pose, Trikona asana. Look at the like this. Your left feet is 45 degree and your right feet is 90 degree. Your left heels and the right heels is equal line. Okay. Then back your straight. Raise your hands up. Inhale. Then move your body. Inhale and exhale. Go down. your right hands down your heels, near your heels, then move. Your both hands and both shoulder equal line, and look at your left hand. And slowly up. Inhale, then exhale. It's the same. Do it the another side, the left side. Inhale, exhale. Both hands, both shoulder equal line. Look at the right hand. Inhale, exhale. If you can't straight your both legs, you have to bend little. Then you press down, 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 down. Yes, like this. Then stretch your legs, easy. Okay, then you close your feet, take your legs. If you have a knee problem, so you should be avoid this. Next and last asana, Hanuman asana. Okay, your heads like this. Your both legs is straight, up your left heels, then hands on your waist, okay, and slowly bend your knees here. And press your hips forward. Keep your back straight, no need to bend your back. And raise hands up, look forward. Exhale. Do it to the both side. If you do the one side, you practice the one side is body is strong, like you're doing in the right side, your right leg is strong. So you should do the both side. If you do like that, so one leg is weak, one leg is strong. So make balance. Okay, thank you.